Hello everyone! So again, it's been a long time since I uploaded a video, and yeah, it's getting weirder and weirder for me to upload a video on YouTube. Is like, you guys still remember me? Do you guys still watch me? Do you guys still enjoy my videos? Please, really, please let me know in the comments below. I didn't do this for such a long time that it's like weird and I don't know where to start. I probably should start by explaining what I'm doing in my video, isn't it? Anyway, for this nail design I used hard gel, but you can definitely use normal nail polishes because it's such a simple nail design, and you can definitely do almost the same thing on short nails. I already had something similar before. I will put a picture. So yeah, don't be afraid to try it. Now going to the actual, like, the tutorial, isn't it? On my nail plate I used polygel just because it resists better on my natural nails, and I encapsulated everything with IBD hard gel.
We lay all day in our comfy bed. What a wonderful life. We play outside in the green grass. What a wonderful life.
Here are the colors that I used, and first I applied on the entire nail the lighter color, and on my ring finger I used this sequence that I already used a couple of months before, but in a different shade, and I'm in love with them. I will definitely buy more shades of this type of glitter, and you're going to see me using them like a lot because they're just so pretty. I purchased them on AliExpress. I think this is how you pronounce it. Yeah, please go there and just search for like nail art sequence. You will find them very easy. They're beautiful. After I applied them, I cured. I go with some stripes of the two colors, and I really do my best to blend them as nice as possible. After curing, I like do the same thing again just to make sure the colors are opaque. So yeah, I already knew that I'm going to do some black design on top, so this is why I didn't insisted on blending too much. After curing, I use black acrylic paint to do my design, and on my other hand I have a completely different design, and this is just because after I finished that hand I was like, oh my god, this is like too dark, but I don't have time to change it, but I have the opportunity to show my viewers a nicer design. I really think it looks much better with less like dark details. I really like better the design that I'm showing you. Oh my god, I told you it's weird to film and to record my voice after such a long time, but anyway, I hope everything I'm saying makes sense. I'm doing my best. So yeah. Okay, so I'm having a different voice right now because I'm recording a day after. This part that I record didn't record like my voice, and today I'm sick, so probably you noticed a difference in my voice. But anyway, I'm adding some white acrylic paint to highlight, And after the acrylic paint dry, I encapsulated everything with IBD hard gel. I'm curing, I'm filing my nails to make sure that they have the shape that I like. And to have a really beautiful shine, I'm adding 1 layer of a gel top coat. And that's it. I'm curing and that's it. I really hope you like this nail design. Thank you very, very much for watching. I really hope you still watch my videos. And I really hope I will be here very soon with another video. And I really hope you're going to still watch that video as well, like my future videos. Thanks again, guys. Take care. Bye.